this is what it looks like right now, and this is what we're trying to emulate. We've pretty much taken the size and design from 22 and we're going to apply it to 21. So the porch is almost done. I'm just waiting for the windows to arrive at the end of this week. So as we move into the entrance hallway and then the dining room and the living room, of course the builders all have all their stuff there, and the lovely original curtains in the house. Those will be changed. Have no fear. These are the doors that we've picked for the upstairs rooms, and then the far corner, see in a second, the doors that will be used in the entranceway, the kitchen entrance, and also the door that leads out into the conservatory. So you have one seamless view straight through the house as you enter. Here's the kitchen that arrived just the other day. Worktops and all the cabinets ready made. Shout out to Colin at Magnet in Basingstoke. Did a cracking job getting it sorted out. Used to be windows up there, but we bricked those in and plastered over them. They only face a brick wall, so there's not much point. New cement floor, and that's the old edge of the conservatory. That's the outside. As we come around the corner here, this is a new wall that's just been built and plastered over the weekend. My brothers worked over the weekend as well. Don't know why, but they wanted to. I didn't force them to either. We're here in the kitchen now with all the wires set and ready to go for the installation of that kitchen that's lying outside. That's going to go in this coming week. Should be going in on Tuesday. All the walls have been made good here. Some spare steels to hold the roof up. Didn't need them. Here's that other glass door I mentioned. We're going to be heading upstairs. We're going to check out the changes in the bathroom. Here's another sample of that new door we picked. We had it changed last minute because the ones we wanted weren't available for a few weeks. As you can see, we've had to move the bath, the shower on that far end because of just the way the space is laid out. I'm going to keep this whole window, provide some decency, light, but no visibility. And then we've had to move the soil stack back probably a good 3 or 4 inches just to fit it with this new toilet, and the radiator will go on that wall there. That's the rest of the house. You've seen that before.